person is traveling, is he allowed to combine between prayers and shortening the prayers only on the road or the whole entire time until he comes back to his residence? The scholars who allowed the traveler to combine between prayers debated over this issue. So Imam Malik rahimahullah from one narrations, and Al-Qadi Abi Ya'la from the Hanabila, and some of the Hanabila like Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahullah, said that the person should only combine between prayers while he or she is on the way. While they are traveling on the way, say that's in the airport or on the road, that's when you combine between prayers. But when you reach your destinations where you're going to stay in a hotel or visiting your relatives or something of that nature, these days you should not combine between prayers. You're allowed to shorten the prayers, but you're not allowed to combine between Dhuhr and Asr, Maghrib and Isha. While actually the majority of the fuqaha, the Shafi'iyya and the Hanabila, and Ibn Qudama rahimahullah is a Hanbali scholar who supported that, and also one narration from Imam Malik rahimahullah said no, even when a person is allowed to combine or to shorten the prayer as long as this person is traveling. And that's, in my opinion, the strong opinion, because Mu'adh ibn Jabal said that the Prophet ﷺ combined between Dhuhr and Asr and Maghrib and Isha while in the Battle of Tabuk, and this was for so many actually days, if it was not weeks. That's something been reported from the Prophet ﷺ. But I would agree that yes, you should not combine between prayers unless there is a need for it. Let's say you're on vacations, you're busy with the kids, or you're traveling for a business trip and it's hard for you to pray on time. That's why you combine between to make it easy, because you're not in a normal situation. That's something I would agree with. But if you have time and you can pray on time and easily, alhamdulillah, no mashaqqa, no kulfa, no hardship, pray on time, and you are allowed to shorten the prayer. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from all of us.
Hey, thank you for watching, and subscribe so you can continue to get the rest of the videos. I don't know whether somewhere over here, there, whatever, whatnot. It's beautiful, this series of videos, Faith IQ, and we need your support, and that's by watching it, by sharing it, and then by donating towards it so we can continue to make more videos that deal with more of your issues. Jazakumullah khair, wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.